terrible shopping habits. Look at it. Doing long distance with my family. Good morning. I just got out of the shower. Are you awake? I'm so sleepy. Let's make some coffee and get ready for the day. Okay, I have my Red Bull and I'm ready to show you guys a bunch of cute new stuff that I got from Princess Polly. You guys have known this for years now, how much I love Princess Polly, and I think everyone has kind of gotten on the Princess Polly train and knows how great they are. So I don't need to go into depth anymore. You guys know, I know. So thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring today's video. They ship from within the United States. They have free 3 to 6 day shipping on all orders over $50, and they also offer to US customers AfterPay and ShopPay. And you guys can get 20% off with my code DITUS20. I love when I get a code for you guys, and I'm not gonna lie, I actually use my own code and I'm like so terrible shopping habits. So I actually already have another cart full that I will be using my own code for. First thing that I got, I'm actually wearing. It is a little black, like, this is the style. I love this little tank top. I'm obsessed with the cut of this. It's so flattering, and it comes with matching black flowy pants. I actually have this set in brown already. I got it about a year and a half ago now, maybe a year ago now, and I have just obsessively worn it. I still wear it to this day. Like, I wear it at least once a week. It's just so cute. I obsessively wore the brown. I saw they had black. I had to get it. I actually also got it in the light green color in like the past year at some point. I just love it. Saw they had it in black. Had to have it. Next are these pants. They have like pinstripe, I think it's called, and they're just these like flowy kind of like trouser style pants, and I love them. I think these are like the perfect fall pant. You can like dress them up, dress them down. Next, I got this dress that I've been eyeing for months and months and months now. It's so cute. It's this brown long maxi dress. It's like a really soft material. This set is a little more like on the town, night out. It's this tank top, just green and black design, and this little skirt. It's like a really tiny little mini skirt. This sweater, you can't really tell right now, but it has like a ribbed material, and it's a full zip up, and I just think it's so cute. Like when it's unzipped and you can fold over the collar or leave it up and like zip it up. I don't know, there's so many ways to work with this, and same thing, like dress it up, dress it down. A really great staple to have. I got this cute little white skirt. I thought this would be really cute this fall with like some tights or sheer, like, what are those called? Pantyhose? Is that what they're called? And like a sweater or a bodysuit, or even if it's like a warmer day, no tights, just this and like a sweater. Again, just a really nice cute staple to have. And I love the waist. It's like elastic, so it has a really nice fit to it, and definitely one of those pieces that like it's pretty safe to buy because it's a great length, not too short, and it has this like stretchy band. Next, I got this set. It is this black two-piece set. It has like the little skirt, and it has like the scrunchy-ness and ties on the side, so you can make the dress or like the skirt as short or as long as you want. And then it also comes with a matching long sleeve top, and same thing, it has like the scrunchy-ness on the sides, and the ties make it as cropped or as long as you want. Love this. So versatile because you can wear it with like around different types of people. Like if I'm gonna be around family, I can make the top a little longer and the skirt a little longer, or if I'm just like going out with my friends, I can like hike it up, you know. I don't know, not hike it up, but you know what I mean. Like I can make it a little bit shorter. I got this white dress. This has that like fit that's really trending right now with, I don't even know what it's called, but these like sleeves and the neckline. It's actually a halter, which I thought was really cute. And then lastly, not really a fall piece, but same thing with like some pantyhose and a white sweater. I think this would be really cute, like white booties, just like a nice light, cute, girly fall outfit. This purse is the last thing that I got. I love it. It actually has a thick black strap that you can attach as well, which is what I think I'll be using majority of the time. So cute. I've been wanting this for a while. But that's everything that I got. Everything will be linked down in the description box for you guys. You can go shop all the fall pieces that I picked out. Make sure you guys use my code Ditus20 to get 20% off of your order site-wide. Thank you so much again, Princess Polly, for sponsoring this video, and let's get back into it. Okay, I just got out of work and I went to Ulta. I did a pickup order because I just needed a few things. The main thing that I needed was this. This is my favorite moisturizer. It's the Ordinary. And then I picked up a few other things. I've needed this for a few weeks now. It's the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's really moisturizing. I put this on before my moisturizer, and that's pretty much like my routine. I wash my face and then I use the hyaluronic acid and then I use the moisturizer, and that's a really good regimen for me. I have really dry skin. That's like my main problem, and then the occasional pimple here and there, which I just usually get rid of with like a pimple patch or something. Hydration is really my main goal always, and these two products, try them out. Literally just wash your face, serum, moisturizer, perfect. If you haven't tried Olipop yet, you have to. It says it's a sparkling tonic. It just tastes exactly like soda, especially this grape one. I love it. My eye keeps like twitching. I'm having like this bottom part keeps twitching. I looked it up and it said it's because of like, commonly it happens when you're like stressed and like need sleep and just need to rest, and it says to like decrease your caffeine intake, rest, whatever, which really just like isn't in the cards for me. Not drinking caffeine, not able to do that. Like, I work every day, I come home and do more work. Like, I can't not drink caffeine. If anybody's had that happen when they're like stressed out, did it go away? Because I'm going on like day 4 or 5 of it just doing this like all the time, like at least a few times an hour that I notice it. There's just like a lot going on. I wanted to do like a little life update, but first I want to show you guys what I got in the mail. Oh, I think, okay, so I'll link everything too for you, but okay, I got these on Amazon. They're those like clear shelves. I want to put these in my bathroom, and they have like a really sticky adhesive, so you don't even have to put anything in the wall. And I'm like scared to do it because I want to put my skincare products in here, and some of them are glass. Everyone says these stick really well, but I just like don't trust it. If you've had experience, let me know. But I think I'm gonna try it. I'm excited for these. I like need more storage in my bathroom. And then this is PR that I got. Oh, I'm so excited to be showing you guys this. So it's from the brand Versed. They're a skincare brand. First they sent like literally the like iconic TikTok girly headband. I feel like everyone, I'm scrolling on TikTok and literally everyone has these on, but it's like this towel material. I'm very excited about this. It's so cute. They sent a bunch of stuff. So this is their like dark spot gel, micro crystal exfoliator, moisturizer, and a daily sunscreen. I'm so excited to try all these products out, and it's perfect because I have my new bathroom shelves that I can store everything on. I also ordered some new books on Amazon because I was in need for some new books, and these are all ones that were recommended to me by you guys on my Instagram. Whenever I need book recs, I like go to Instagram and ask because friends are always giving me great book recs. When I do that on my stories, you guys are always giving me great ones. 3 really different books. This is a memoir that I heard was really good. This is like a suspenseful book, And then this is just like, I think it's like a rom-com. Is rom-com even a genre for books? I don't know. And then this, oh, I'm so excited about this. So Clio, I'm obsessed with Clio. I worked with them a few months ago. I worked with them in the summer and I literally love it. It's an app and it basically just like keeps you updated on like how much you're spending. So like you literally don't even have to do anything. You just go into the app, like link your account. It's all completely safe. And I'll like say how much money I like want to spend a week, you know, just like ballpark. If I like exceed that amount, I'll like, or I'm getting close to it, or I do a ton of spending like the first day of the week, I'll like get these little like roast texts that are like, slow down, like, and it's so funny. It says, don't open this box, you're about to get roasted. So cute, look at it. I'll link that in the description box too. Seriously, has been like a game changer for me, just like holding me accountable, and like I literally don't have to do anything, and it just like will let me know. It's like, you've been spending a lot on Amazon this week, or it'll just like, it's really funny, or it'll be like, you've spent $400 on Amazon this week. It just like really holds you accountable, and it's really nice. Just to even like, it's just helped my mindset a lot, and like being more aware of what I'm spending, and I'm like, oh yeah, it's Tuesday and I've literally spent X amount of money, you know. There's some sunglasses in here, and this little card, their little note says, congrats on starting your new job and moving into your own apartment. They're just so nice. This was such a nice surprise. Like getting this package was such a nice surprise. It's just this giant PR package, like probably the biggest I've ever gotten. It was such a nice surprise bringing this big mystery box up. Thank you so much, Clio. I truly appreciate it. This really nice s'more set. I was like, huh. And then it all made sense, because in here is literally a little tiny fireplace, and it's so cute. I'm so excited to put this on my little table out here. How cute. And it literally is like it'll have a little fire thing. Probably the cutest thing in there are these little matches. I'm obsessed. I did want to give you guys a little mini life update right now. Just kind of tell you guys like what I'm doing and just like plans for the future and like what's going on. My eye is spazzing out again. So as most of you know that like watch my channel, I got a job in marketing. So I'm currently working a marketing job, and I do that from 9 to 5 every day. And then I also still do some social media stuff for a family friend. So I have that stuff to do like once I get home from work. And it's not much or anything, but it's just like another thing on my plate. And then I'm also kind of trying to balance, obviously, YouTube, and like that's really like that's what makes me happy. That's what I am obsessed with doing, that I love doing. So I'm just really trying to find the balance right now. I have decided that I'm going to try, I think a good thing for me is to like pick a day, a new day. My new posting day is going to be on Sundays, and then if I get another video up for you guys that week, like just a bonus video randomly, awesome, but every single Sunday there will be a new video. I think that'll be good for me to hold myself accountable of like managing my time and knowing that filmed, edited, uploaded, scheduled for every Sunday, because what's been happening is the weeks just like get away from me. I just think I need to have like a strict schedule with myself, and I think having a set date of when my videos go up each week will be helpful. So yeah, a big thing in my life right now is trying to balance all these things. Like I've been balancing college and doing YouTube for the past 4 years, but that's so different. Like you have so much more free time in college. So it's an adjustment for sure, and I just want to be honest with you guys, and I also want you guys to be excited, and I'm excited for new videos every single Sunday. I'm excited. I like Sundays. I like that idea of having a new video on Sundays for some reason. I'm excited. I came up with a bunch of different like video ideas and things that I want to be doing in the next like month or so. So stay tuned for that. If there's anything that you guys want to see, or even just like your favorite types of videos to watch on YouTube, or your favorite people on YouTube, just drop them in the comments. I'm really just like looking for some inspiration. And yeah, I mean, I'm still in Michigan too. That's another little update. I think most of you know that. I'm still in Michigan. I got a job in Michigan. That's where I went to college, if you don't know, Michigan State. So I'm still doing long distance with my family, I guess you could say. And it's definitely like hit differently now that I'm out of college, because for college it was kind of like I knew I was going to be there for 4 years and I was used to traveling home on breaks and long weekends, whatever. And now that I'm working, I'm kind of like realizing, oh, I don't have long weekends and fall break and all these little breaks here and there anymore, or like class canceled on Friday so I can go home. Like, I don't have any of that anymore. And so it's just been an adjustment, realizing like, wow, I'm like really far from home, and I'm like choosing to be far from home, like by myself. But that whole thing has gotten easier. I've gotten more used to it. I think also with like the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving and Christmas, that's giving me something to look forward to, like going home for those and seeing my whole family. So that feels better too. I think it's nice to have like a time to look forward to of like going and seeing my family, or like when my mom comes and visits or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to think of like what else to update you guys on. I don't really know. If there are any like questions or things that you guys could think of that you want an update on, or just like anything, random questions, just whatever, let me know in the comments, and in my next video I'll answer those for you. And I know I talked about this a while ago, but I'm going to be starting this book, and if any of you guys want to read it with me, that's like something I've been wanting to do for a while, because I love when I show you guys like the book that I'm reading, and then sometimes you guys will like DM me on Instagram and like tell me, oh, like it gets better, hang in there, and then like I end up loving the book and it like motivated me to keep reading it. Or like I finished the book and then we talk about it, and it's just really fun. So I wanted to do that on here and just like let you guys know what I'm reading. I always keep my Instagram stories updated, but I want to bring it on here because I'm really enjoying that conversation in my DMs right now. If you want to read this one with me, this is the one I'm going to be starting this week. I think I'm going to start that book tonight. I'm going to get in bed early. I showered once I got home and did some editing for this video. And I think I'm ready to just like go cuddle up in bed with my book and maybe some ice cream. Okay, I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. New posting schedule every single Sunday. There will be a new video starting this Sunday. So this week you get 2 videos. Also, like, please hold me accountable for posting every Sunday. Like, don't be shy. Like, please hold me accountable. I think I need it. So follow me on all my social media so that we can be friends. Follow me on Instagram. I always keep you guys updated on my stories. So if you want to see like my day-to-day, you can go to there. And I will see you guys this Sunday. Bye.